This is an under-counter dishwasher. First, switch on the power and open the water supply. Press the power button. The machine fills automatically. When the main wash temperature reaches at least 50 degrees Celsius and the rinse temperature reaches at least 80 degrees, dishwashing can begin. Place the bowls upside down in the rack. Slide it in, close the door, and start the wash. The numbers count down the remaining main wash and rinse times. Main wash complete. The tank temperature is 51 degrees Celsius. Rinsing starts and the timer counts down. Rinsing is complete. This display shows the boiler water temperature. Open the door and pull out the rack. The wash is finished.